Hello,
Oh,
can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
Okay, what should I call you?
My name is Shuji.
Shuji, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Uh, I'm from Japan,
Japan.
Tokyo.
Nihon. Okay, yoroshiku
Nihon.
onegaishimasu. Nice to meet you.
お願いします. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, my name is Anu and I
Anu.
am from India.
India.
Is my speaking speed okay for you? It's not too fast?
Uh, please, little sorry.
Okay, I'll try to slow down. Okay. So, would you like some introductions before we start the lesson?
Yes.
Would you like to go first?
Okay, I go first. Again, my name is Shuji. Uh, I am 47 years old. I am an Osaka. I live in Tokyo, Japan. My hobbies playing golf and watching sports. My favorite sports football and baseball. That's all.
Okay, one second. Do you play video games by any chance?
Uh, I'm not uh, I don't play a video game,
Okay.
but I work at games company.
Okay, that's interesting. Do you know about Agent 47?
and
Agent
uh,
47. Have
agent.
Do you know? It's a video game. It's the video game is
Uh,
Hitman.
no.
So you are
Yes.
47 years old and you kind of look like him. So that's why I said Agent 47.
Yes. What is it?
It's a game.
Uh,
It's a video game,
a video game.
right?
Hitman. Yes,
Yeah.
Agent 47.
So anyway, you said I live in Tokyo, right? Not with an S, so it's live.
Yes. It,
Okay, and golf, Tiger Woods. That's all I know about golf.
yes. Uh, Now. Uh, uh, yes. Tiger Woods is hero.
Yeah, like hero, the champion, one
Yes.
of the best players, I think.
Yes.
So, which sports do you watch? Football, baseball?
Uh, Football and baseball.
Uh, I like soccer too. So,
Yes.
did you watch the World Cup this year?
Yes.
So, which team did you support?
Uh, it is Japan.
Japan on number two.
Yes.
What about
Uh, uh, Netherlands.
Netherlands? Why?
Yeah.
Why Netherlands?
Uh, uh, my favorite player is
Ah,
uh, Dennis Bergkamp. Do you know? He's a old player.
no, I don't know that. Okay.
Uh, and uh, I like uh, uh, Johan Cruyff and uh, Rijkaard. Do you
I don't
know?
know these names.
No.
No.
Oh, they are legend of Netherlands.
Okay. Okay. Do you also watch Premier League? Like
Uh, Sometime.
sometimes.
I like Arsenal.
Arsenal. Arsene Wenger.
Yes.
Is he still the manager? Arsene Wenger?
Sorry.
It's the manager. When I used to watch Arsenal, the manager's name was Arsene Wenger or something. Something like that.
Arsenal. Oh,
Is he the
yeah.
manager still?
Mari.
Yeah, he was the team's manager.
Arsene Wenger.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is he still the
Uh,
manager?
now,
I think it's
manager
Arteta.
is
Art-
Arteta. Yes.
okay, okay.
Uh,
Have you?
he
Uh-huh.
Arteta played at Arsenal.
Yes, he was a
Yes.
player. So, have you
Yes.
visited UK, England? Have you been?
Uh, a visited. Yes. But uh, uh, this year, I went to London 3 months ago,
Okay.
but it was a business trip.
So you didn't see a match? No.
Yeah.
Okay. And about baseball, I know there's a famous player Otani. Otani.
Yes.
So, why is he so famous among the Japanese?
Oh, oh, most famous player is Otani, but uh, uh, Masataka Yoshida and Yu Darvish,
Okay.
and they are very famous.
They play in the American League.
Yes,
Uh,
uh, Masataka is played in Red Sox.
Late Sox. That's a team name. Name of a team.
Boston Red Sox,
Okay.
and Yu Darvish played okay.
It's okay if you don't remember.
Yes,
I forget things.
I forget.
It's okay. Okay, my intro. I live in Punjab. Punjab is in the north part of India, and I'm 27. I'll be 28 next month in January. I'll be 28, and oh, somebody's. I like running. I like marathons. I'm a long distance runner. I like running, and I like literature, English literature. I love reading books. So that is my intro. Do you have any questions you want to ask, Shuji-san?
Uh, do you watch uh, uh, Japanese animation?
Japanese animation. You can say anime. Anime is also
I,
an English word now. It is
oh,
it is considered English now. So hi, I like anime.
uh,
Do you?
the, yes.
Shingeki no Kyojin is my favorite. Right.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Do you know Ghibli?
Ghibli, Studio Ghibli. I've seen Spirited Away and Neighbor Totoro, and
Totoro, yes.
I loved his works. There's a new movie releasing, right? Studio Ghibli.
Uh,
Is there?
uh,
Mhm.
Disney Ghibli is very good.
So there's a new movie coming out.
Yes. Uh, a new movie
I think.
about I, I don't know.
Is it released in Japan or is it going to be released?
Yes.
Oh, will you watch it on Christmas or New Year's?
Oh,
Do you go to the
oh.
theater, Eigakan?
No, I don't go
Okay.
to mo-
To the movie theater.
movies, movie theater.
Okay. So you watch on Netflix, like at home?
At home. I watch on TV.
TV. All right.
Yes.
Okay, that ends our intro. That was a very long intro, but I think we did very well. So Let's go to the lesson if you like.
Okay.
Traveling by plane. Should we start from exercise one? Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll repeat. You'll repeat the words. Okay. First is luggage,
Luggage.
the bags that a person brings when going traveling or on vacation.
The bags that a person brings when going traveling or on back vacation.
This is all my luggage.
This is all my
So
luggage.
this is nimotsu, right? In Japanese? I know
Yes,
this one.
Nimot. Yes.
Domestic flight,
Domestic
a
flight.
flight within a country.
A flight within a country.
Domestic flights are rarely delayed.
Domestic flights are rarely delayed.
Okay. International flight,
International flight.
a flight from one country to another.
A flight from one country to another.
International flights all leave from this terminal.
International flights all leave from this terminal.
Economy,
Economy.
the cheapest category of air or rail travel.
The cheapest category of air or rail travel.
Many passengers prefer the economy class seats.
Many passengers prefer the economy class seat.
I don't think they prefer, I think they can't afford business class.
Oh,
Yeah. Carry on bag,
carry on bag.
a bag that you can bring with you on a plane.
A bag that you can bring with you on a plane.
She put her tickets in her carry on bag.
She put her ticket in her carry on bag.
Airline,
Airline.
a company that provides regular flights for passengers.
A company that provides regular flights for passengers.
Revenues for the airline industry are down this year.
Revenues for the airline industry are down this year.
Okay, very good. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
Okay, I have no questions.
Okay, easy. Let's move on to dialogue practice. I would like to be Matt first. You can be Grace, and then we'll switch roles. So,
Okay.
Matt is searching for information about luggage rules. Do you know how much luggage I am allowed to bring?
I have no idea. You can check online.
I wonder what the general rules are.
When you take flight, you normally have to pay for uh, excess
Right,
luggage.
this is excess, like extra.
Ex-
Yeah.
ex- excess.
For example, how many pieces of luggage can you bring?
Uh, on domestic flights, only one piece of luggage is allowed if you choose economy class. On international flights, you can bring two pieces, but that depends on the airline company.
What about carry on bags?
Uh, all airlines allow you to bring one carry-on bag. You can also bring a handbag with you.
Do you have any other luggage advice for me?
Keep it as light as possible. Don't forget to lock your
Right,
baggage,
lock.
luggage,
Luggage.
lock.
Okay, let's switch roles. You'll be Matt now.
Yes. Do you know how much luggage I am allowed to bring?
I have no idea. You can check online.
I wonder what the general rules are.
When you take flights, you normally have to pay for excess luggage.
For example, how many pieces, uh, how many pi- uh, how many pieces of luggage you can bring?
On domestic flights, only one piece of luggage is allowed if you choose economy class. On international flights, you can bring two pieces, but that depends on the airline company.
What about carry-on bag?
All airlines allow you to bring one carry on bag. You can also bring a handbag with you.
Do you have any other luggage advice for me?
Keep it as light as possible. Don't forget to lock your luggage. Okay. Any questions from this dialogue?
Uh, okay, I have no questions.
Okay, let's check your understanding. What did Matt want to know about?
Uh, Matt wanted to know uh, 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 how many luggage uh, 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 it, can he bring
Can he bring? Yes, yes. On the plane.
on the plane?
Okay, so with luggage, since we cannot count luggage, so we use much, not many.
Much.
So
Uh,
many
wanted
is
to
used
know.
with numbers, something which we can count, like many pens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But
Mhm.
luggage we cannot count. Luggage is just a big mass, right?
Of
So we
course.
use much for luggage.
Mm.
All right. How many bags are allowed on international flights?
What? Uh, uh, I uh, you allowed uh, two pieces of luggage uh, uh, on international flights.
Yes, but it depends on the company too.
Yeah.
What can passengers bring aboard aside from carry on bags?
Carry on back. Uh, Passengers can bring a handbag.
Yes, a handbag. Okay. Exercise 3, we have listening. I'll speak a paragraph. Listen carefully, and then you have to answer the questions.
Okay.
Okay, I'll start now. Paul needs to go on his first business trip, and he is very nervous about it. He asked Carol to give him some advice about the luggage. Carol smiled at him because he was nervous and told him that he could bring one carry on bag and a handbag on the plane. If he needs extra items, he can bring one suitcase as well. Did you get it? Sh- sh-
Uh,
should I repeat one more?
Please one more time.
Okay. Paul needs to go on his first business trip and he is very nervous about it. He asked Carol to give him some advice about the luggage. Carol smiled at him because he was nervous and told him that he could bring one carry on bag and a handbag on the plane. If he needs extra items, he can bring one suitcase as well. Okay. Why was Paul nervous?
Uh, Paul was nervous because he was going on his first business
Right.
trip.
What did Paul ask Carol to help him with?
Uh, he asked Carol to give him advice on how much luggage he could bring.
What advice did Carol give Paul?
Uh, she advised him to bring a carry-on bag and a handbag on the plane.
How many suitcases can Paul bring with him?
B. In case he needs to bring extra items, he can bring one suitcase with him.
Very good. Every answer is correct. So, do you remember your first business trip, Shirisan? Abroad.
Uh, as uh, 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 3 months ago, I went to uh, for business trip. It was my
Wow.
first time.
Okay. Were you nervous like Paul was? Were you nervous?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Role play exercise 4. Okay, we'll do a role play. Here's the situation. You are making a call to the airline company to ask about general flight rules. You have to ask me about the rules. You'll be calling me. I'll be the airline representative and I'll answer your questions. Okay? So you can ask me about the bags, you can ask me about the flight time, the price, whatever you like.
Okay. uh, Excuse me.
Y- yes.
Uh, uh, I want uh, I want to go
Hmm.
uh, London by uh, 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 economy class seats.
Okay, you want to go to London in economy? How
Yes.
many seats?
Uh, one
One
seat.
seat.
One seat.
Okay. Would that be a round trip or is it like just one way?
Uh, 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 a round trip
Okay.
ticket,
A round
please.
trip ticket? Okay. Do you have any questions about the rules?
Yes. How many luggage can I bring on
Okay,
plane?
how much? Right? How much?
How much? How much?
Yeah. You can bring one carry-on bag and
Or
one handbag. So two items you
what?
can bring.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Uh, 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 uh,
Ask something about the food
uh,
if you like.
uh, uh, how many hours that uh, does it take
Okay, the flight
uh,
from Tokyo to
a flight?
London
Yes.
is I don't know, 15 hours. I don't know.
uh,
How long did it take?
uh, uh, 40
Okay,
hours.
14 hours. Wow. All right, that's a good role play. So you asked me about the rules, you asked me
Yes.
about the type of ticket, the number of seats, and the hours, how long it takes. Okay.
Yes.
When you travel, do you carry a lot of luggage with you?
Uh, uh, no, I don't. I bring one
Yeah,
suitcase.
kochira koso. Me too. I enjoy being light. Yeah. What is the usual luggage limit for domestic flights in your country?
Also, one suitcase.
Okay. Any weight limit? Like how much weight?
Uh, Sorry, I don't know.
Okay. In India, we have like 7 kilos, I think.
Oh, seven.
7 kilograms, maybe.
Hmm.
Who do you think bring more luggage, men or women?
Also, I think, women,
Okay, why?
women,
Why?
because women, women, bring uh, many things, cosmetic and
Hmm.
shoes. Uh,
Well, men bring shoes,
yes.
right? But yeah, I think cosmetics. Maybe men bring trimmers, beard trimmers if they have a beard or something,
Uh,
right? So the cosmetics adds up for women.
yes.
Okay, all right, our time is over. She's
Uh,
It must be late in Tokyo, right? What time is it? It's
now, uh, 1:30 a.m.
wow. So do you work at night or are you going to sleep?
Uh, uh, I will go to bed. 3 a.m. or
Wow.
so.
So what will you do now?
uh, I uh, I watch TV.
Oh, kakoi. Wow, exciting. Okay, well, enjoy and I'll see you
Yes.
again. It was nice
Yes.
talking with you.
Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome. See you. Oyasumi nasai.
See
Bye
you.
bye.
おやすみなさい. See you. Bye bye.